Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yeah, how are you in the evening class? Are you okay?
Alhamdulillah, ma'am. I'm
Alhamdulillah,
fine.
ma'am.
Thank you.
I'm
And you,
fine,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Hello, yes,
Fine.
ma'am. You are now muted.
Okay, thank you. So, have you done all the learning activities,
Yes,
formative
You are now
ma'am.
unmuted.
test, summative test, and then
Yes, I have.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you
Alhamdulillah,
so
finished,
much.
ma'am.
Finish.
Yes.
But
Yeah,
I have a problem to send
yeah. I
the
haven't.
segment. I have a problem to send the segment
Oh,
because
have.
it's voice record and PDF.
Oh, the record. Yes.
Oh yeah, report text and
Record, ma'am.
record the voice. Yeah.
Voice recording.
Audio
yeah.
recording.
Yeah, voice recording.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Audio recording.
Oh, what happened with audio recording?
I cannot
we
happen, boom. Everything just fine.
it's just like we are tour guide, ma'am. We have to speak and describe one tourism place, like a
Oh,
tour guide. Yeah.
oh, just a tour guide.
Yes.
Okay, we will start our reflection and evaluation. So I think for reflection and evaluation, I just want to hear from you all about the obstacle and then what you have done. And then what is your experiences after doing these learning activities. Okay, and then we will get the feedback from you all, from your friends, and then we will discuss to solve the problem, or we will share about the experiences related to the learning activities that you have done. So I invite you to express your idea or your opinion, and then yeah, your experiences related to learning activities that you have done. Okay, I think I invite you who first to speak or to express your idea. The time is yours.
You are now muted.
Hi, Pa Andi. Welcome to
You are
the
now
room.
unmuted.
Hello.
Mm.
So, excuse me, sir, ma'am. Maybe
Yes.
I will share my experience
Okay.
in my school. Maybe it's okay.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
okay.
Thank you. Okay. I just want to share my experience. How to uh, uh, teach these materials. I'm sorry, my my baby is crying.
Your your
Aduh,
name.
sorry, sorry.
You are now muted.
Okay,
You are now unmuted.
okay. For me, when I teach these materials, descriptive and report text, I hope my students have a good speaking to when they learn this text. So the end of the materials, I always give them a project. Yeah, they give them project to make a video about these materials. Yeah, just like that. Ma'am Umi. Thank you.
Okay, so
You are now
can you
muted.
explain us what kind of project that you give to them? What
You are
kind
now
of
unmuted.
Yeah.
project? Can you explain in detail? So maybe we can we can hear, we can adopt your way in our teaching and learning process.
Okay. Thank you. Uh, I usually say to them for descriptive text, they are finding something or places, maybe like a school or his house or other place, yeah, and then
Hmm?
they make mind mapping like that, what they want to uh, say in video, and then make the text descriptive, then they just read. It is just for 10th grade, but for 12th grade, for report text, maybe it is a very yeah, I give some edition. They don't they when they find materials in internet or book or something, because they will find about plant or animals, they when they presentate in video, they how they don't how they uh, have to have to have effort, a little effort, because they don't read a text. Maybe they're just look once or something that, but yeah, they are memorized all the text, but they can see just a minute, just a second, and then read the text, or they can memorize all the text, all the words in the text they have when they have written the text. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Wow, terrific for
Yeah,
Pandit.
yeah,
Yeah. So,
like that.
how about the others? Do you have any
You are
idea
now
related
muted.
to the Pandit explanation
Okay,
about
ma'am.
their
Can I share?
activity when they are doing the project for their students? Okay, Pak Armin.
Okay, thank you for the given chance to me.
Yeah.
These two material, the scripted test and the reported test, Alhamdulillah, I have talked about it in my class. Uh, for example, the scripted test, I usually uh, ask for my students to find something that we can describe. For example, I have it to experience it directly. Is for example, tourism object. I will
Yep.
bring my student to the places.
Wow.
You are
Nice
now
Yes.
I
idea,
bring
muted.
it.
nice
You are now
idea.
muted. You are
Before
now
that,
unmuted.
I
You
also
are now
have
muted.
to get the permission from my principals. Then Alhamdulillah,
You
he
are now unmuted.
always give me a permission to bring my students to the such place. And then, with respect to an object, I brought my student to beach
Yeah.
because we are in Polmang. We have so many beach there. Tourism object. Then I bring my students. I make them to the small group. Then I ask it to observe or watch, see directly the tourism object. Then come to the class. I will ask them to what is it to mention by one what they see in that place. Then I told them to make a descriptive test by their own words. And reported text, I also give the chance to them to find out a thing or an animal in their environment. So I told him to make observation to the thing or the animals, then come to discussion in the class, of course in a group also. Yeah, just like the mama. I taught
Thank you,
reporters and
Parmin.
descriptors.
Ah,
Yes.
nice idea.
Thank you, Parmin.
Yeah, okay,
Good
you're
job
welcome, mom.
for your students. Yeah, it's a nice teaching. So it's very important to us to bring our students into meaningful learning. So your activities should be innovative, should be creative. Yeah. Parmin, thank you so much. So have you
Fortunately,
all,
ma'am.
all the explanation of this one you state on your activities?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in the question of activities, have you stated?
Yeah.
So you wrote.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
I lost my connection. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
All of
Oh,
all of
Hello. I lost also my connection, ma'am. I
yeah.
have a bad connection here.
yes.
Sorry.
I think the application,
Okay,
ma'am.
Pak Armin, Pak Andi
Yeah.
Muhammad, you are the best participants. You have stated your idea. You have shared your idea here. Thank you so much. So how about the others? Hi, everyone. Hi, class. So do you have any idea, any experiences related the model that you have learned? Or other experiences related to the learning activities, dealing with your school environment, school atmosphere. Can you share with us? Hello.
Okay,
Hello, ma'am.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh,
Yeah, Pak Amrizal, the floor is yours.
Yeah, so, well, in my experience in giving this, what is it, the descriptive text, descriptive text to my students, yeah, well, it was last year, that was in the 10th grade. So at the time, I asked them to bring to school their favorite things, yeah, and you know what?
Yeah, yes, yes,
At the
yes.
time, yeah,
You are
Nice,
now
nice.
muted.
yeah, one or three, I don't really remember. They brought their dolls to school. They brought also their pillows. They brought also their
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
video games, and
Yeah, nice, nice, nice.
they were very proud to describe about their favorite things.
You are now unmuted.
Okay, so
Yeah,
you show
that's it.
them the
You are
real
now muted.
object. Do you mean?
You are
Yeah.
now
Yeah,
unmuted.
nice, nice idea.
You are now muted.
Okay, that was my experience about giving this to my students. Okay, thank you very much.
I never thought
Yes.
before.
You are now
Okay,
muted.
thank
Yeah.
you, Pak Amrizal.
Okay.
Yes, it's
Next
nice.
time I'll try
You are now muted.
your method, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's a nice idea, I guess.
Okay, so how about the others one? When you teach the report text and this descriptive text, any others way to make your teaching is innovative or creative one? Yeah,
yeah, ma'am.
yeah. Ibu Israyani, yes. I'm sure.
Yes, my video is not on because the it, yeah. Ma'am, can I?
Sorry?
Hello?
You are
Yes?
now
Yeah.
unmuted. You are now muted.
My video is not on, ma'am, because bad
Okay.
signal. If
Never
I
mind,
turn
never mind. Just go on. I can
Okay.
hear your voice, please.
directly out. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Just the same with others. Before pandemic, I usually um, touch in the classroom by using descriptive test is um, ask the students to bring the real material such as their pets. Yeah, because if they choose animals, so they have to bring the authentic materials. And the different maybe, ma'am, because I use in a group, so I divided the students in a group, and then we will choose one picture, and I ask them to explain to describe that picture, and after that we write down. That's before pandemic. When pandemic, I use media internet to find out the so they can one, for example, the topic is about tourism place or favorite place. They will find out in internet and describe about the place. Uh, just the others, I think. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Ibu
You are
Srayani,
now unmuted.
nice
You are now muted.
expression
Yeah,
about
yeah.
before COVID and then during COVID. So you change your teaching way before COVID. You show the student the real picture if you teach the descriptive text, and then you use digital media when the COVID uh, when the COVID situation, right, Ibu
Yes,
Israel?
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
That's right.
Talking about the digital
Maybe the
media.
other.
Mhm. Talking about the digital media, how about the
Oh,
others? How do you use the uh, simple? How do you use the simple? I mean the simple digital or the simple media to bring your students into class. What kind of media that you use, and then what kind of approach do you use to engage your students, to instill your students about the material.
Yeah,
Mungkin yang lain lagi deh. I
it
invite,
depends
okay,
on
okay, okay.
characteristics.
ya I
Oh, yeah.
invite yang
Yeah.
on ini ada Pak
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yani, Pak
Okay, okay.
Hamzia.
Silakan, ma'am.
Okay, go on.
Ya,
Pak Sigit.
how about the others? Hello Pak Sigit, Ibu Susanti. Do you have any idea?
Ari tidak bisa, Bu.
Huh? So, Pak Andi, which one do you choose? Compositional or classifying? How about your?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
are now
yeah, yeah.
unmuted.
Yeah. So it's new for me because
Still in
yeah.
classifying?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's very confusing for me, but yeah, there is any information about report text because generally I teach my students. I never classified report text. I just
Oh,
teach
you
them
you never
generally.
you never found the part of the
Yeah,
report text that
yeah, yeah,
classifying,
yeah.
composition,
Yes, yes.
comparative.
Yeah,
Oh
historical.
yes.
Yes. So
So this is the new term for you.
yeah, it's my new experience. Thank you for the materials. Yeah.
Okay, but the sample video you can show to the students. The sample video that
Yes.
you can understand the report text and then descriptive text. You can show them. You can download that video or uh, copy the link, the YouTube
Yeah.
link,
Yeah.
and then show to the students. It's very useful.
Yes. Well. Yeah.
It's very interesting to them.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
by using the YouTube video, they
Yeah.
can explore their understanding, their comprehension to know the material. So
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
nice, very nice.
Mm.
You are now
Okay.
muted.
Anyone else?
You are now unmuted.
No more. so,
Uh,
so
uh,
what are important things
skill,
that have to be discussed related to the material?
skills me. I actually we need sharing for another friends because like just now Mr. Amrizal told that the new idea for me. Perhaps another participant also can give another idea because one and other
Yes.
things that from Mr. Amrizal. Please.
Well,
Yes, because
you
we got a new
Amrizal.
experience from Pak Armin and Sir Amrizal. Maybe the others have. Yes, we need to share our experience and maybe the
Yeah.
yeah the
There's something new
yeah
to add our method in teaching in the class or another thing we can share.
Yeah, you can share using just a screen sharing.
okay. Where are the others?
Hello.
Okay, Bu
Okay, go
Ramdhani.
ahead. Uramdani has joined.
Hello, hello. Is my voice clear?
Yes, your voice
Okay,
is
that's
very
clear.
clear.
Sorry before because I
Very
can't
beautiful
show
also.
my face right now because I don't have a good connection in my camera phone. Okay, I want to share about my teaching activity when I teach about descriptive text. I ever did class observation for my students. Like this, I give them what is
I cannot hear your voice, please, Ibu Ramdhani. Up your
oh
voice.
really miss? Oh sorry miss, maybe my connection is bad. Hello,
Yeah.
is it clear now, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. For still about descriptive text, so when I teach my students, I ever do class observation, miss. Um, the topic is about describing place or in public places them. So I asked them to create or describe a place in school. I divided them first in a group and then I give them worksheet. Before that, I explains the topic of descriptive text. Oh, watch out. And then I divided them into some groups, and then I asked them to go around, go outside the class based on the topic that they get. For example, like I give them the topic to describe the eighth grade or another group
get one topic to describe seventh grade, or the other group get one topic to describe laboratory. So after that, he got the topic. He go outside the classroom and do observation based on the room given, and then they do discussion and grouping together to overcome and create descriptive text. That's one of my ways to give them the text, ma'am, answers. I think that's
Okay,
all
Ibu
from
Ramdhani.
me. Thank
I
you.
think it's very nice. So, yeah, so I
Thank you.
ask you again, how about the student response about your method or about your
Audio unmuted.
how about the
Uh,
response?
Okay, ma'am. Because based on my experience, my students is really attractive, ma'am. They like to move around, so I give this method, and alhamdulillah, they are really enthusiastic to do the competition, to complete their taste, to do observation class.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Repeat, please. How about the
Oh,
response?
they're really enthusiastic, ma'am, and they like to move around, ma'am. Most of my students like to move around and have a visual characteristic, visual method in learning, and alhamdulillah, they like it, ma'am. They enjoy to create their descriptive text and discuss together.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Ibu Ramdhani, for sharing
Okay,
your
ma'am.
experience related to teaching descriptive and report text. So
Okay,
Audio
ma'am.
unmuted.
the other one, any idea?
Audio unmuted.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Uh, I wanna get more experience to teach refer text. Maybe there are some of you guys have a good method to teach refer text to your students using a media or a simple one. Can you share to us?
Do you mean to the other student?
Yeah, to the other friends here, ma'am. I wanna
The
get share.
participant.
Yes, the participants, ma'am.
Okay. Ibu Susanti, Pak Sigit, Ibu Rini, Ibu Ridayani, Ibu Nur Wahida, Ibu Nur Saida Tulma, Ibu Mulyati, Pak Mahmudin, Pak Yusuf. Any idea? Ya, Pak Sigit.
Halo Ibu.
Ya.
Yeah. I wanted to share my experience to teach about descriptive text. Hello.
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 Ya. Pak Sigit.
Hello, ma'am. Yeah, Ibu.
Ya.
Yeah.
Now your turn.
Yeah. I want to share
Now
my
unmuted.
experience to teach about descriptive text. The first in the class, I will give them about the definition about descriptive text, and then I will give them to make them into small group, and then I will give them time for 1 hour to go to the outside of class to find someone that they think he or he is interesting, and then after they view the student, and then go to the class, and then they write about this they describe about they have them experience in the outside into descriptive text.
Describing people.
Pak Sigit?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. Do you have any idea related to Pak Sigit's explanation, Pak Armin, Pak Andi?
I think he want to say describing people in his school.
Yes, yes.
No,
Yeah.
I hear that they describe thing. They
Yeah.
don't. He don't. He doesn't explain about describing people. He's explain about things, right?
Describe about people.
Someone.
Describe people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Describing
Someone, yeah.
people. Yeah. Someone. Yes. I think like that.
Okay.
It is nice
I'm
because
trying to do the same thing, but what is it? I'm asking my students to make a documentation, talking to his or her favorite teacher. Then after they have a documentation with their favorite teacher there, I like to ask him or her to mention the characteristic of the teacher. Then it make construction to make their descriptive test. Then the result of their project will be what is it? Put in the information board at the school, and it's make an information to another teacher in the school that they are, whether it is a paper teacher or not. And just like that, it's a very fun also, because we are teacher can also know that our students like us or not, or make us a proper teacher or not.
yes.
I think this is an evaluation
Yes.
also.
Very nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
By the time this is very funny. There is no students choose our principals. There are principals say that, oh, how come they don't like? How come they dislike me? Am I a strict teacher or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, just it can be a evaluation for our teacher, for us as a teacher in the school.
Nice
It's very
idea.
fun.
Nice idea.
Nice
So
idea.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. In this
Thank you, Pak Armin.
Yeah. You're welcome, Mom.
Yeah.
yeah.
Any idea
Ma'am,
from the, yes.
I want to from this media. I want to maybe in this section I want to need input or masukan maybe. What is the difference? Maybe someone can explain for me about the differences about descriptive and report, because I think when I make a report text, sometimes I feel I make descriptive text, and or for example from the tax one part 3 about, if I not false, we asked to make a report text, but I think I make descriptive text, not report.
Okay, I get
Sometimes I
your
think,
question, please.
why?
Okay.
Okay, now I invite Pandi Muhammad to explain this one, because I about
Okay.
Yeah.
information, and then we can
Can explain about it.
understand based on the definition of both of them.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
For me, yeah.
Yeah, before I explain this one, I would like to you all to know, to understand from this one, from your friend. So I invite Andi Muhammad because I have explained this one, we have discussed this one in that group.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
that's all. Andi.
Okay.
You
In my
I will
opinion,
invite you next.
okay. Okay. In my opinion, the differentiate between
The
report text
difference is
and yeah, uh, uh, what descriptive and uh, report text. It is about uh, if a descriptive text, it is just like describe something what we look, what we see in a thing, people, or places. Uh, but for report text, it's about explain about some about animal or plane. Uh, that is it very detailed about that. Maybe it is this is for me just like that. How about this, Pak Sigit, Sir Sigit?
Yeah. So the differences is the measure of the detail of the item that we explain.
Yeah, descriptive,
Mm,
just what we see or what we look, the thing, the people, or the places.
yeah.
But for the report text, not just that, but we add something detailed, uh, like uh,
Yeah. Yeah.
uh, like maybe about the speed of the animal. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's very detailed. The color of all of the spaces in flower or something like that. So it's very
Yeah. Yeah.
detailed.
I
How
yes,
about
yes.
Pak Amrizal,
I
Sir
usually
Amrizal?
to
How to
Okay,
differentiate this
Armin,
one?
how about you? Can you make some explanation to Pak Sigit
Uh,
into the differences between report and descriptive text?
okay.
Give a simple explanation.
In my opinion, descriptive test is the way we describe something very detailed so that the reader can feel it, can smell it, and can experience it. Uh, just like you can experience, can look directly. So it means that you have to give a very specific detail in a word. We describe a very specific thing in a word. It's a descriptive text. And while reported test, we explain the thing in the general way. In general way, but reported test need a scientific expression, scientific proof to support our idea to explain the thing. Just I think that's my understanding about reported test and descriptive test.
Nice, Sir Armin. Nice.
Yes, how about Pak Sigit? Can you catch the Pandi explanation and Pak Armin? Or any experience or any question, any answer from Pak Amrisan
Amrizal, Pak
related
Amrizal, Sir
difference
Amrizal.
yes.
to
Maybe Mr. Amrizal
text?
maybe.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I think this is not only about the details of the subject of the writing. I mean, uh, I think this is more to like the subject. Yeah, I mean here when you want to write about descriptive text, yes, you may write down about your thing maybe, but when you want to write a report text, that thing must be more like generalized. Yeah, like an example, maybe
Yes,
I have a lovebird, so well, I may write a descriptive text for my lovebird, and my report text, I may write about their lovebirds on this world. I think this, that's for me.
Okay, Pak Sigit.
Okay. Yes. In my opinion, from the action before, I make a conclusion that if we use a scientific language, so we make a report text. Is it clear?
Yeah, it's a clear.
Like that?
Yes,
Yes,
all
yes,
the language use of report text always use the scientific field. For example, like solar system, the process of changing the water to ice, like that. So maybe you can see the definition from the learning materials, and then you can see the video that show the different video about the report and descriptive text. From the video, we can learn more about the differences between them. Okay, Pak Sigit?
Yes.
So it's very clear. I mean, if you explore, if you read more, you can get the understanding. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Ada lagi? So our discussion yesterday about the characteristic of report text that consists of 4 terms or 4 items. That's about compositional, classifying, comparative. What one, Pak Andi? Comparative, compositional,
historical.
Historical. So, do you have any idea or need to be discussed for these terms? Have you read all the materials? Because this is the point of our materials actually. Yeah. For descriptive text, we have animal, places, animal and places, and thing. And for the terms of the report text, we learn about the 4 terms of report text. So, do you have any explanation or some idea related to these terms? How about you? Based on your experiences after teaching the report text in your school, did you find any materials like this? You can explore or use your learning experience to solve this one or to explain this one. Ada, Bapak Ibu? If you read all the materials, you find that? Do you find that? Because yesterday we have discussed this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
There are for classification of report text. Therefore, the first is where is this? The first is classifying report, compositional report, and then the next is comparative report, and the last is historical report.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe you can find it the material in main section M3 in learning activity 3 yang di file PDF ya. And then main section M3 learning activity 4 in PDF.
We have a main section of activities. What is the learning objective? After that, the materials, and then we have the section. Do Ibu Mulyati, just listening, ma'am. I'm so sorry. Good listener. You can explain in bahasa kok.
Yeah.
I think
Or
you can
we make a
explain in bahasa. If you can in English, you can speak in bahasa.
Silence is gold.
And then the others participants just express your idea. Apa-apa yang ditemukan di learning activities atau di tugas-tugas, kemudian materi yang sudah dibaca, learning material, apa sih yang menjadi perasaan atau unek-unek Bapak Ibu selama membaca itu, mengajarkan itu, bagaimana hubungannya dengan pengalaman Bapak Ibu di sekolahnya.
Ya, oke,
Jadi
Mem Umi.
profesional itu, Bapak Ibu, guru profesional itu harus menggali semua potensi yang ada dalam dirinya. Saya yakin Bapak Ibu yang ada di ruangan ini adalah semua guru-guru hebat abad 21.
Iya.
Jadi saya yakin
Amin.
Amin.
yang hadir di ruangan ini adalah guru-guru hebat semua. Jadi saya mau Bapak Ibu, karena saya menggunakan sistem pembelajaran student center learning, makanya Bapak Ibu yang lebih banyak berbicara. Nah, itu sistem pembelajaran abad 21 Bapak Ibu. Saya hanya fasilitator. Jadi saya bukan lecturer, saya bukan gurunya Bapak Ibu, tapi fasilitator, memfasilitasi Bapak Ibu dalam mempelajari modul yang ada di LMS ini. Nah, sifatnya saya sebagai teman yang memandu, memberikan advice. Ya, jadi if you can't express your idea by using English, you can speak in bahasa. It's okay, no problem. Ya, silakan ibu-ibu supaya terekam di LMS. Bapak Ibu semua menjadi guru hebat ini kan langsung dipantau oleh pusat Bapak Ibu ya. Jadi Bapak Ibu ini semua diharapkan aktif. Jadi data akan terrecord di sana. Ya, datanya akan terrecord. Jadi yang melakukan web meeting seperti ini itu akan terekam. Oh, ini yang aktif, ini yang tidak aktif. Oke, jadi saya memancing terus ini Bapak Ibu untuk berbicara. You can speak in bahasa or English. Ya, jadi
Okay,
cerita
excuse me, Ma'am Umi.
mengajarkan, karena saya yakin yang semua di sini kan guru Bapak Ibu ya. Karena ini dalam jabatan pasti pernah mengajarkan hal-hal terkait teks-teks bahasa Inggris. Dan jangan lupa Bapak Ibu tesnya nanti itu ya terkait dengan teks-teks. Ayolah. Speak up, speak up.
Okay, Ma'am Umi, I want to speak.
Yeah.
I want to say something. Okay, so this is me, Rizal. Well, actually, at school, this is, I think this is sexual report, right, Mr. Hassan?
Yes.
Okay, jadi kalau di sekolah ini adalah sexual report, and I think there is no such detailed explanation in our textbook, yeah. And especially for my school, I'm using Mentari book, yeah, the textbook from Cambridge. Yeah, so there's no such idea like the comparative report, the compositional report, historical, in my textbook. So I think this is a new experience for me, and this is also very good knowledge also for me, since, well, actually, I think I could find out that there are 4 classifications. There are 4 types of report text. What do you think about this?
Yeah, how about the others? This is the development of knowledge.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe Mr. Amrisal.
Yeah.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes.
Give my opinion.
Okay, go on.
Yes, Bu Iska, your voice is clear.
Yeah. Hello? Basic, no, sorry. Yeah. So in elementary school, if they study about report text, if I forgot guys, I just ya selama waktu saya di SD Bu, saya pernah mengajar. Biasanya report text itu mereka menciptakan kurang lebih sama dengan deskriptif, membawa bendanya, kemudian mereka secara saintifik menjelaskan misalnya pohon, terus dia jelaskan satu persatu, tapi
Can hear your voice.
ya, oh my god, tes, ya. Hello, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ya, they have, ya, intinya seperti itu, ma'am. Halo?
Oh, sorry.
Dari kali sinyalnya, ma'am,
I
sorry.
can listen the voice.
Sorry, ma'am, sorry. Yeah, I'm so
The
sorry.
signal is unstable.
Yes.
Unstable, sorry, ma'am.
Tes.
You are now muted.
Halo?
Ibu Rini,
Can hear.
ya.
You are now unmuted. You are now muted.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
You are
Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, Bapak Ibu,
you are now unmuted.
we have discussed for 1 hour. We start from 8 o'clock until 9 o'clock. So Bapak Ibu, this is the end session or the last session of our meeting today for Module 3 about the English for social communication. Yeah, I hope you can explore many things from this model related to the learning materials, learning activities. I hope this is very impression for you. Yeah. Because this system guide you to make your idea based on your experiences in your school, in your environment as a teacher. Yeah, so just write based on the fact that you have done, and then what will you do to improve your career as a teacher, to improve the education in Indonesia, and then to increase the global education, and then to apply the 21st century 21st century teacher or 21st century field related to your career as a teacher. So in 21st century learning, we have four terms. We have communication, we have creative, we have creativity, communication, collaborative, and what is one?
The critical thinking.
Critical thinking.
Critical thinking.
Critical thinking.
Yeah, so the 4C, this is the very important thing to you as a teacher to use in your teaching and learning process. So engage your student, having your student by using this approach. Yeah. Build up their critical thinking, you as a teacher, and then transfer to your students. Yeah. Critical thinking means that your activity, the way you engage the student to think out about the material, the way you to bring your students into meaningful learning, and then the way you to guide the students into useful activities in the classroom or outside the classroom. Yeah, and then don't forget to make them, to engage them, to having them to collaborate, to communicate about the material that they have learned. Engage them to explore their learning experiences about their learning when they were in childhood, maybe when they were in the elementary school, when they were in junior high school. You can explore materials that they have. Yeah, to engage them, to communicate them in to make creative in your classroom.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
So 21st century learning, it's one of core here as a PPG program. Yeah, because this one can be transferred to many models of teaching, like uh, project-based learning, problem-based learning, collaborative learning, cooperative learning. So this is the principle of 21st century learning. So you have to engage the one. You can use this one as a teaching approach in your classroom. Yeah, as a teacher, don't forget to use a digital learning, use a blended learning if you are in remote area. You can use the blended learning in teaching and learning process. Yeah, if you can use the simple media like a WhatsApp platform, use it to teach your students. Yeah, if you just can use the uh, mobile phone in teaching your student, use it as a media of teaching. So there are many ways that you can do to explore your teaching way, your teaching method, or your learning activities to the students. Ya, jadi Bapak Ibu menjadi aktif, menjadi kreatif, menjadi inovatif itu hak yang sangat mutlak dilakukan bagi Bapak Ibu. Because Bapak Ibu, you will be increase the students the students creativity, the students innovation. So it's you have to do it. Ya, mau tidak mau Bapak Ibu harus melakukannya. Ya. Sekarang sudah ada di era abad 21, ada di digital learning, mau tidak mau Bapak Ibu harus menguasai media digital. Ya. Siap tidak siap, harus siap. Karena itu tuntutan. You know, you teach now the millennial student. You teach now the Y generation. So you have to master all the digital learning. Ya, jadi Bapak Ibu, the function of you here not only as a teacher. Ya, jadi Bapak Ibu fungsinya saat ini bukan lagi sebagai guru, bukan hanya sebagai guru, tetapi Bapak Ibu sebagai fasilitator, sebagai aktor, sebagai semua yang ada profesi di dunia ini. because you will teach all material in this world by using the text, the kinds of text in English. Itu sudah pasti Bapak Ibu. Jadi Bapak Ibu, kita bahasa Inggris tapi belajar karena mau mempelajari report text tentang solar system, sistem tata surya, berarti Bapak Ibu harus menguasai bagaimana sistem tata surya. Itu sudah mutlak. Karena Bapak Ibu sudah mau mempelajari tentang describing objek, misalnya objek wisata, mau describe Toraja, Bapak Ibu harus mengeksplor Toraja seperti apa. Jadi sangat banyak materi dan Bapak Ibu yang harus dikuasai. Itulah yang dimaksud dengan literasi Bapak Ibu. Ya, literacy. So you have to have a many multi-literacy. Literasi media, literasi manusia, literasi digital, literasi apa lagi? Pokoknya semua literasi yang ada di dunia ini terkait ilmu pengetahuan sebagai guru Bapak Ibu akan mempelajarinya. Karena ini akan membawa kepada proses pembelajaran di kelas. So you can engage your student, you can have the students to learn more about their material by using your knowledge. Ya. Jadi saya kira Bapak Ibu, thank you for your participation. I will see your learning activities or formative tests later. I will assess tomorrow, and then I will download it first. Now I will download it now, and then I will read tomorrow. Okay. All the materials that you have done, and then I will assess. I will give a comment. Yeah, I will give a comment after reading your assignment. Okay, so I will give a comment in LMS.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's all, Bapak Ibu. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ma'am.
Ada salah kata Bapak Ibu terkait pembelajaran. Mohon dimaafkan. Mohon dimaafkan.
Ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Jadi Bapak Ibu tetap melanjutkan pembelajaran dengan modul-modul berikutnya dengan baik. Mudah-mudahan bermanfaat bagi Bapak Ibu.
Amin.
Tujuan dari pembelajaran ini tujuan dari PPT ini semuanya, saya mendoakan Bapak Ibu semuanya lulus, mendapatkan predikat guru profesional.
Amin.
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 Itu doa saya paling terdalam. Ya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Semuanya menjadi great teacher. Ya. Saya mengharapkan semua menjadi great teacher, bahwa betul-betul guru itu adalah ya. Okay, thank you so much. I think that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you, Ma'am Umi.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Okay. Good night, everyone.
Yes.
Lanjut tidur ya.
Okay, now you're going to Bobo. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to go bobo. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, see you, everyone.
Bye.